Okay, so here we have ultramarine blue and a phthalo blue with a green bias. So just to give you a quick indication of their biases, we'll do as we've done before and just add a little bit of white. So now you can instantly see, because this has got a green bias to it, if we mix it with the red, this undertone of green will act as the red's complement, and as we've learned that complementary colours mute each other out, so if we have the red and this blue, we're not going to be able to get a really bright purple because the complementary colours of the green and the red will neutralise each other. So you can see the big difference here in how bright this one is in comparison to the other blue. So as you can see, a red-based blue mixed with the blue-based pink or blue-based red are always going to mix the brightest purple. So the key 3 points to remember are 1, which red you're using, 2, which blue you're using, and 3, how much white you're using, because this can alter the hue of your colour. Start to see how terrible this is to make a purple. Like, it's really kind of nasty colour, no way in comparison to this real nice brightness that we've got over here. So now let's have a look to see if you went even further the wrong way and we're using the phthalo blue with the green bias with the cad red. So still red, bright red, still a blue. We know this can get a really bright blue, but it doesn't make purple when we mix them together. In fact, it's very close to a grey.
And 1,000 miles away from here, I get up and I comb my hair. So do you too. I still know you. And 1,000 miles away from here, I get up and I take a shower. Well, I'm over being sad now. Yes,
So the other way to have a bright purple is to buy a pre-mixed purple. This is cobalt violet. You can start to see when you look into the labelling what it's made of. So it's got quinacridone, which is this colour here. We've got a zinc white and a dioxazine purple as well.
Did you think of that? There's so many reasons.
So you can see already it's a lot closer if you're trying to make a clean purple.
That everything could have finished at the start, but it never did. Did you think of that? That it never did. Did you think of that? That it never did.
So this is just with the white, but you can see how, I mean, it's slightly more vibrant than this one, but you know, not really. It's very, very close.
So do you too. I still know you.
I mean, it's got a slight more punch, but this is very, very close. Okay, this is Will Kemp from Will Kemp Art School. If you click on the link below, you can learn more about acrylic painting at my website.